Let us quickly look at how to set up a shop on Connect Localam first time and various facilities in the shop apps. You will need to first register with Connect Localam to set up a shop. The details of the shop setup will be found in How It Works section on a website. Read the details of the order status and order policy settings in FAQs. Now, let us take a look at the registration form. You can get it by clicking sign up from the web app or from mobile app when mobile number entered is not available in our records. Note that the mobile app is available only on Android phones as of now. Thus, the mobile number you provide must be for the Android device. The form is in 3 languages currently. Depending on category of the shop and a language selected, Connect Localam will try best to pre-populate the list with the standard items. After successful registration, log into web app. Let us look at the web app now. To set up a shop for the first time, go to Orders Policy page to review the settings. Change the settings to your business needs if required. You can change those later if you wish. Now go to Manage Items to look at the items available. If there are no items pre-populated, you may add those one by one by using Add Items or import in bulk using the Excel file. A sample template file and category based list are available in the Home tab to download. Download the Excel file suited for you. Modify to your needs before you import the items. If items are pre-populated, you will see the list of the items. Click on the item and buttons Edit and Delete will appear for the item selected. With Edit, you can change the name of the item, unit and price. If you do not want the pre-populated items list, you can click on Mark All for deletion and all items will be marked as such. If you want to keep few, click on the item and you will see the undelete button. Do not forget to save the changes once the modifications are complete if you want to make those permanent. You may discard all the changes you made before save by going to any other tab. You can also add items by downloading, modifying and importing the Excel files as discussed earlier. If there are items already present in the imported list, it will just override and mark them edited that you can easily identify those. There are filters available to view added, deleted and edited items for easy management of the items. Now open the Shop mobile app. If the mobile app is open before saving items in the web app, restart the mobile app again. Go to the Items tab to review if changes are reflected. The price of the item can be changed conveniently from the mobile app. We recommend to use mobile interface for changing price and making items available or unavailable to the customers. Now let us see Manage Customers tab. It will show the list of the invited customers. It is convenient to invite customers from the mobile app by using the mobile number. You can remove the customer by selecting the customer and clicking drop button and save. Shop and personal settings will let you change your personal and shop information. Mobile number and email ID cannot be changed. Payment and plans will let you choose the plan to make the online payments. Note that pay button will be enabled only when the payment is due. You may enter the issues and provide us suggestions to improve the platform from the feedback and issues tab. Connect Localam team will address issues in a timely manner. You can see the details about the fixes by clicking on Issues log. Open Orders tab will list all the active orders. You can download the Excel report for all the open orders from here. You will be able to view the details of the order by clicking on Order. There are filters available to view open orders based on the status of the order. Order history will list all the closed orders up to 2 months. You can download the Excel report for the closed orders from the order history. Now let us look at the facilities of the Shop mobile app. On the first screen, all the active orders are listed. The red, green and yellow colors on the right indicate delivery due state. Red indicates delivery is overdue, yellow delivery due in 10 minutes and green otherwise. You can filter orders by customer name, delivery date, status and delivery due by tapping search by button and then tapping done after you enter the filter criteria. In order details, there is a view history button. Tapping it will open an order timeline where you will be able to view progress of the order and all the exchanges for the order chronologically. Orders will be auto refreshed every 5 minutes. If there is a new order or any update on order, it will be available to you on refresh. Alternately, you may manually refresh by tapping refresh button. Light green color will indicate that there is an update for the specific order from the last refresh. In Items tab, you can view all items and modify price and availability to the customer. At the bottom of a screen, there is a ordered items report that will give the consolidated list of the items and the quantity ordered for all the open orders. In the Customer tab, there is an interface to invite the customer by mobile number. At the bottom, there is a Broadcast Announcements and Offers button. Tapping it will open an interface to post the messages to all your customers. The bottom half will show the announcements made in the last month. There is a limit on how many announcements you can make in a month. Broadcasts will be available to customers in the customer app for view. Thank you.